That's just one place he goes. Let's get through this gate and look at him over here. There he is. There's Shirley. She's telling him to come on. And I guess walking over here a little bit. And Eric will fly over. There he goes again. This is a wild bird for you. He's just going and going and going. We got all the animals going crazy because they're getting the egg from Eric. And she's calling for Eric again. So there goes Eric, flying up. He's on top of the roof now. And there's all the animals here. I want to make sure I don't trip on them. Let me get over here. These guys are going wild. There's Eric on the corner. Shirley's trying to coax him to go over here to eat his egg. And there he is. He's going to eat his egg. Come over. There he goes with his egg. Whoops, he dropped it. He'll get it. He's going to fly up. He might have got too big of an egg. We don't know. There he goes. Another fine egg.
The latest he's ever been.